Don't.
One Jackal, everyone else is shotgun recruit. Doesn't matter which recruit.
Which recruit's
Just
best?
GSG for the M870.
So what you're saying is I should bring dual shotguns?
Jackal. Jackal finds footsteps, scans them. We then hunt them down. It's called hunting dogs.
Let's do it.
Wait, what?
So Jackal's going to ping
yeah.
someone.
Sorry, I was picking.
We then rush for the ping with shotguns.
Yeah.
And basically have to try and bring them down. Disobedient dog needs to be put down.
I'll kill you.
Adams, you need the pro strats.
The pro strat.
Hold on. I got more
Oh,
footprints
we need to
here.
wait. We need to wait. We need footprints.
Is he down?
Yeah.
Yes.
We're actually doing pretty well.
Oh. Oh. I see footprints.
Oh, yeah, killed! Oh, make sure they got...
They're not here. Oh wait, did you shoot
Yeah.
through the floor?
No, I killed them when we first rushed in. They must have got hit by one of the stray bullets.
Oh, they're in the corner.
Which corner?
Oh no, he's not. He's in study. He's in study.
Great if I knew where that was.
They're in there. Just throw a grenade in there. Yes! Yes!